So, now it's time to go to bed. Sleep. Okay, turn my fan on. I don't want any Coke. Now you're interrupting a video I'm making. So, next, I'm going to go to the shop and do my work. Hello, Ken. I would like to buy something. Oh, hi. What would you like to buy? I would like to buy. I would like to buy. Ah! Oh, you okay? Of course I am. What can I be? We got a charm. We got some snow things and nothing. And we also have a bead. Not interested. Bye. I'm gonna go visit my neighbor. Hello, it's over here. Hello. 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 Hi. So, how are you, Batman? How are you, Bobby? Yeah. Okay, bye.